Hi everybody, filming on location today. So for you guys, I've just been doing some little routing around the internet, and it appears that the Black Friday deals that was on the DJI website and Amazon on the Mavic Mini Fly More combo, the original one, which is still an absolutely amazing drone. It looks like those deals are actually still on, guys. On Amazon especially, it's just until midnight and it's been extended into Cyber Monday. So if you do fancy picking up one of these Fly More combos, or even just a Mini on its own, there is some links in the description below that'll take you straight to the products. Heavily discounted at the moment for the holiday sort of period. Honestly, the Mini is still a fantastic drone, and again, if you don't want to go to the price of the Mini 2, this is a very, very valuable option, especially with the options it is at the moment and the prices it is at the moment. Don't forget as well, is obviously you're going to need a memory card, so don't forget to add that to basket. Just thought I'd give you this little video just to show that these offers are still on, and the Mini is still a great buy, and you can pick it up at a greater price at the moment. Like I say, links in the description below will take you direct to the product, and yeah, obviously DJI and Amazon are two of the biggest sellers of these products naturally, so go check them out. Thanks for watching.